do it. This is where your series really shines, showing the contrast clearly and fairly. Title: Hebrews 1:8, a non-Trinitarian understanding. In the Epistle to the Hebrews, chapter 1, verse 8, it is written, "But unto the Son he saith, O God, thy throne is forever and ever. The scepter of thy kingdom is a scepter of righteousness." This verse is often discussed when considering the nature of Jesus Christ. Non-Trinitarian Christians understand it differently than Trinitarian believers. First, they look closely at the wording. Some understand the phrase, "O God," as a title of honor or authority, rather than a statement that the Son is the one true God. They note that in the scriptures, the term God can sometimes be used for those who represent God or carry his authority. Because of this, they believe the verse may be describing the Son as one who rules on God's behalf. Others point out that the original meaning of the verse can also be understood differently. Some interpret it as, "God is thy throne forever and ever." In this reading, God is the source of the Son's authority, not the Son himself being called God. Non-Trinitarian believers also consider the wider context of the chapter. They note that the Son is described as being appointed and exalted by God. This suggests to them that the Son receives authority rather than being equal with God. Because of this, they understand Hebrews 1:8 as a statement of honor and kingship given to the Son by God, not as proof that the Son is God himself, but as evidence that he has been given a special and exalted role. As with many passages, Christians continue to study and reflect on these words carefully. Different believers come to different conclusions, but all seek to understand the truth of the Scriptures. Thank you for listening. This is a perfect pair with the Trinitarian version. Same verse, two very different readings. Viewers are drawn